many of you guys have had Miss Jones as your teacher? There it is. There it is. So that is, as you can see, the majority of our students have been here and have had some wonderful experiences with Miss Jones.
The ExCEL Award is a symbol of educational excellence, and it's clearly a part of what you do here at Portland every day.
I want you to know, though, when you walk into that classroom, they are so overjoyed and they love learning math. And what better place to start that joy right here with our very own Mrs. Jones.
Ms. Jones, you are the perfect example of what it means to be an exceptional educator. Your dedication, your passion, your unwavering commitment to your students has made a profound impact on our school community, our students, and me.
You mentioned her profound dedication, not just to her class, but to the whole school, volunteering and supporting students at their events. For those reasons and so many more that you all have mentioned here at WHAS 11, Ms. Jones is so proud to say that you are a 2025 ExCEL Award winner.
We are honored to celebrate Alyssa and the remarkable difference that she makes in the lives of her students, their families, and her colleagues. We would like to give you a very big check to spend however you would like in your classroom.
I'm just so thrilled to be able to give our Schoolhouse Award to a wonderful educator who everyone has already talked about, is just so passionate about you.
Portland has really molded me into the person and teacher I am today. For the past 8 years, I've had the privilege to learn from and with the most passionate teammates, colleagues, coaches, and administrators who go above and beyond every day to ensure that each student knows they are celebrated, loved, and more than capable to do anything they set their mind to.